10 Best Dancing Tips to Pass K-pop Auditions. Even if you're bad at dancing right now, if you want to become a K-pop idol but you feel like your dancing is really bad right now, this video is made for you. Whether you're preparing for SM, HYBE, JYP, or YG auditions in 2026, or you just want to dance confidently at parties and impress your friends, I've got you. Today I'm sharing 10 practical, real tips that will actually improve your dancing skills. Tip number 1, watch idols in slow motion. A lot of beginners just play the dance practice video at normal speed and try to copy it, but K-pop idols move insanely fast. So the trick is, slow the video down to 0.5x or even 0.25x speed. You'll suddenly see tiny details, how they move their fingers, when they breathe, how sharp their angles are. Record yourself doing the same move in slow motion and compare. You'll be shocked at how many mistakes you were making without realizing. Tip number 2, watch the same dance video over and over again. Yes, it sounds boring, but this is how you build real muscle memory. Pick one song and stay with it for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Don't jump to the next song. When you hear that song playing randomly in a cafe or mall, your body should automatically want to dance. That's the level of muscle memory you want before your audition. Idols make it look effortless because they've practiced the same choreography thousands of times. Tip number 3, stay in your box. This is super important for group dances. Judges hate when trainees wander all over the place. If you practice alone at home, take tape and make a square on the floor around you. Practice staying inside that box. Once you're comfortable, make the box smaller. Eventually you'll develop spatial awareness and won't need the box anymore. When you finally dance with other people, you'll respect their space and look like a real professional. Tip number 4, don't copy the idol 100% during auditions. When you're just learning, copy exactly. But when you're auditioning, add your own flavor. Change small moves so they suit your body type and personality. For example, in ITZY's Wannabe, not every member does every move the exact same way. Companies love creativity. Show them you can make the choreography yours. Tip number 5, master your facial expressions and eye contact. Never look down at the floor during an audition. Look straight forward. Imagine you're staring at the judges with confidence. Also, match your face to the song. Dancing a powerful song with a blank or cute face? That's an instant elimination. Practice fierce, sexy, or playful expressions in the mirror. It hides tiredness too. Tip number 6, learn how to control your balance. The secret? Keep your knees soft, slightly bent the whole time. Watch any Blackpink or Stray Kids performance. When they move positions, they don't just walk, they glide with bent knees so it still looks like dancing. Strong core and legs help a lot. Even 15 to 20 minutes of leg and core exercises every day will make a huge difference. Tip number 7, complete every single move. Don't rush. Many beginners cut their moves short, arms not fully extended, legs not sharp. Big, clean, complete movements look way more powerful on stage. Slow motion practice helps massively with this. Tip number 8, record yourself every week. This is the fastest way to improve. Film your practice once a week, then compare it with last week's video. You'll see your progress clearly. You can even post it in a Facebook group or community and get honest feedback. Who knows, you might make future idol friends there. Tip number 9, don't give up when it feels painful or difficult. Some moves hurt in the beginning, that's normal. Keep practicing the correct form until your body adapts. But also be smart. If a move really doesn't suit your body after many tries, change it slightly. Even idols do this. Tip number 10, put on a full character. Dancing is not just moves, it's performance. Your walk, your outfit, your energy, your facial expression, everything should match the song. So tell me in the comments right now, which tip are you going to try first? You've got this. Keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next video.